DemoCreator hacks to speed up your video creation. If you want to make videos faster, these 10 hacks will help you speed up your work. I'm using DemoCreator in this tutorial, so if you haven't watched my video overview about using DemoCreator, you can watch this after this video. Links will be in the description. Keyboard shortcuts for lightning fast recording and editing. Do you know there are keyboard shortcuts in DemoCreator? There is a different set for recording and for editing. Best of all, you can personalize them to suit how you work. Try them and see how much it speeds up your video creation. Instant Audio Cleanup. Use AI to help you clean up your audio with AI Denoise and AI Voice Cleaner. You can remove hiss, hum, increase vocal clarity just by adjusting the sliders to get clearer sounds in seconds. Batch processing for exporting multiple sections at one go. Break your video into multiple segments using the segment marker. With this tool, you can easily set the segments and export all the segments in one go. Great for breaking a long tutorial to shorter, easier to digest videos or creating social media posts. Drag and drop smart template. Use pre-made templates as intros, outros, or even the entire video. Just download the templates and add your own media and adjust the necessary text and you are good to go. Annotations and highlights. Add text or graphic annotations to your videos just by drag and drop and resizing it. It is a quick way to add highlights, arrows, and text overlays and enhances your video for your audience. Most of all, it will help your audience pay attention to your video as well. Instead of adding annotations or graphics in editing, why not do it in real time? If you are presenting something live, you can record it and it will even reduce time for post-processing later. With a bit of practice, you might not even need to edit your video later on. AI Teleprompter. The built-in teleprompter has an AI assistant to help you improve your script by rewriting and rephrasing your text. It will help you with a smooth narration guided by AI prompts. Also great for tongue twisters or hard to memorize facts. You can also pause the teleprompter and use it when necessary without writing out the entire script if you are not keen to write a script. Auto captioning and subtitle generation. Create captions and subtitles for your videos without manual typing with the help of AI. This is one of the best hacks to use. The AI can create subtitles so fast and accurately, it would be a crime not to use it. Export and preset optimization. Use the one-click export and preset optimization by pre-configuring your settings for YouTube, TikTok, and other presentations. This way, you don't have to adjust the settings for each individual video. Use 3D transitions and effects to add style to your video. Screen recording videos doesn't mean boring. All it takes to add a bit more jazz to your videos is to add some transitions. Just split your videos between key points, drag a transition that you like. I prefer 3D transitions. Adjust the length of the transition and you are good to go. Use proxy editing for faster rendering. If you have high resolution and large video files and your computer can barely cope, you can turn down resolution as you preview and edit to speed up editing. This way, you don't have to get bogged down if your computer can't cope with those large video files. So these hacks will transform your editing speed. Give it a try. Which are the hacks that you are already using that save you the most time? Please leave a comment below. And if you haven't tried DemoCreator, you can download it and give it a spin. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out what's on the screen for the other video editing tips to help speed up your video creation.